In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete accountant from Zoho Books. If an accountant no longer needs access to your organization, removing them keeps your records secure and your user list clean. You'll want to be signed in with an admin role or a role that has permission to manage users, since only authorized users can delete others. Start by opening your browser and going to books.zoho.com. Sign in if you're prompted, and make sure you're in the right organization if you manage more than one. You can check the organization name near the top of the page. Switching to the correct one first will prevent you from editing users in the wrong place. Next, look to the top right corner of Zoho Books and click the gear icon. This opens the settings area, which is where user management lives. The layout may vary slightly depending on your plan or updates, but the gear icon reliably takes you to the controls you need. Inside settings, select users. This page lists everyone with access to your organization, including roles like admin, staff, and accountant. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to quickly locate the person you want to remove. It helps to double check the role field to confirm you're looking at the correct accountant, especially if several people have similar names. Click on the accountant you want to remove to open their user details. Here you can verify their email, role, and any associated information to ensure you're removing the right account. Taking a moment to confirm now avoids mistakes later, particularly if multiple accountants have worked on your books. In the user's details, click the three dots, often labeled More Options. This menu typically holds actions like editing, resending an invite, or removing a user. If you don't see it, you might not have permission to make changes, or you could be viewing a different section, so return to the user's page and try again. From the options that appear, click Delete. Zoho Books will usually ask you to confirm. Deleting removes this person's access immediately, so they will no longer be able to sign into your organization or view any financial data. If the user had open tasks or approvals, make sure those are handled by another team member ahead of time so nothing gets stuck. Also remember that deleting a user does not delete your financial records, it only revokes their access. That's it. You went to books.zoho.com, opened the gear icon, chose users, selected the accountant, clicked the three dots and deleted them. With these steps, your Zoho Books account stays tidy and secure.